Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to share with you how to export a 3D camera tracked and survey in 3DEqualizer to Unreal Engine. For those who doesn't know me, I'm Gabriel. I'm a visual effects generalist. I worked on a couple of big Hollywood movies. I worked on It, Wonka, Barbie, Thor, and many more. And I want to bring educational content on my YouTube channel. So if you like this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. For this tutorial, I really want to export a 3D camera created in 3DEqualizer to Unreal Engine. So here's our 2D image. Here's our tracking points. Very happy with the end result. Very happy with your survey. Very happy with your deviation number -2.2. But for this exercise, it's gonna do just well. So for example, you want to go to export project, FBX, you're gonna export it, and I already have this location where I want to export, and I'm gonna just name it camera track directly on the Unreal Engine. I'm gonna click OK, and I'm gonna click here OK as well. The camera has been exported. As a quick test, just to demonstrate that it doesn't work, I'm going to go to our Unreal Engine. The 3D environment is already set where it should be. I'm going to create a camera. I'm going to right-click on Cinema, Cine Camera Actor. I'm going to go Import. And as I can see, I want to import this camera track, the one that I just exported from 3DEqualizer. I'm going to click on it, open it up. I'm going to leave this box as it is because it's working. I've done this exercise before a couple of times. I'm going to click import, and you can see that there's no keyframes added to our animation. Right, so the reason for that is because 3DEqualizers exports the 3D camera as part of the group alongside with the 2D tracking points. And that's the reason that Unreal Engine does not recognize what this data is. So for this step, what we're going to be using is Maya. I'm going to start fresh. I'm going to go import my 3D scan. As you can see, this is the 3D scan that I use for 3DEqualizer. And now I'm going to just import the same camera that I exported to Unreal Engine from 3DEqualizer. I'm going to click import. And the main reason why I found it doesn't work in Unreal Engine is because the 3D camera is already attached to a group with the 2D tracking point. And Unreal Engine does not recognize this information, although it's an FBX. But inside an FBX, it's a group containing much more than a camera. What we're going to be doing, we're going to go watch through the tracked camera. We're going to go wireframe, and now we are trying to attach the image plane just to see if it works. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to go environment. We're going to go click create. This image plane box is going to appear. And then we go image name, click on the folder. It's going to open up this. And now you're going to go on the first one. You're going to click OK. And make sure you're going to use image sequence. Right. And because Maya recognizes frame rates from 1 and 3DEqualizer recognizes from frame 0, we're going to be doing -1, and now everything should stick perfectly. We're going to get the 3D camera from this group. We're going to drag it out with middle mouse. Drag it out. We go on File, Export Selection, FBX Export, Export Selection. We're going to go Camera Track. We're going to rename it Maya to Unreal Engine. And here on the right side, very important, you have to click animation, you have to click bake animation, and then you have to create a camera. You have to check the camera, up axis Y, and you gonna click export selection. Ignore this one for now. And now we are ready to move to Unreal Engine. So you open up Unreal Engine, it's empty, everything. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna import the 3D scan, the same one that we use in Unreal Engine and 3DEqualizer. So for that, we are going to import it right here. I'm gonna leave these ones as it is. I'm gonna click import. Right, I'm gonna just drag it on my scene, and then I'm gonna zero all the transformations. So 0, 0, 0. Now I'm gonna click F, and we have to rotate the x-axis 90 degrees. Right. So this, sorry about my camera, my funny camera. Right. So this is matching now with this perspective. You can see it's pretty much identical, and it's pretty much identical in 3DEqualizer. If I go 3D orientation control, it should match identical. Cool. Very important. You have to use the same 3D scans on all three softwares. And now what we're going to be doing, we're going to create an level sequence. I'm going to create one as 3. We're going to create a camera, and we're going to right click on Cine Camera Actor and then import. We're going to go camera track matte to Unreal Engine. I'm going to leave these settings as it is. I'm going to click OK, import, and you can see the camera snaps in the perfect position, similar with the ones in Maya and similar with the ones in 3DEqualizer. Right. I do believe it's 2 frames offset. So you gotta keep track on your offset frames. If I left click on the Cinema Camera Actor, this is gonna open up. I go on the focus settings, and on manual I click do not override. And now if I hit play, but before that, let me extend the frame range. I'm gonna extend the camera cuts all the way. And now if I click play, you will see that the same camera animation from 3DEqualizer is now in Unreal Engine. Very cool. So if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to bring more educational content, and I look forward to see you in the next one.